Good morning, everyone. So in the previous class, we have discussed about activity 4. So today we will start our new topic, that is conversion of 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. So for this, first you have to understand these important points and you have to write down in your notebook. That is 12 midnight. It means 12 o'clock of midnight to 11:59 in the morning. For this time, with this time we use AM. 12 midnight to 11:59 morning we use AM. And from 12 afternoon to 11:59 night, from 12 afternoon to 11:59 night we use PM. So you have to write down these points in your notebook. And now full form of AM is anti-meridium and PM is post-meridium. So these were the important points. After this, see, activity 5 is given in your book on page number 173. What you have to do, you have to convert to 24-hour clock time. Now I will tell you how to convert to 24-hour clock time. First, write down in your notebook like this. See, first write down activity 5, then heading convert to 24-hour clock time. Now make a table like this, 2 columns. In first column, write down the questions. The questions is given in 12-hour format, and here you have to convert into 24-hour clock time. Now, so here in second column, write 24-hour. Now I will tell you how to convert. See A part. Now first of all, students, let me tell you, when the time is written in AM, when the time is given in AM, you have to just write the same time which is given and write hours with the time like this. Like the time is 3 AM, so write 3 as it is. Now instead of AM, you have to write hours. So in 24-hour clock time, you have to use hours instead of AM. Now see 5:15 AM. Just write the time 5:15 and now write hours instead of AM. We do not write AM or PM in 24-hour clock time. We just write hours. Next is 10:42 AM. So we will write 10:42 as it is, and then we will write hours with it. Now students, D part is 12:15 PM. So here students, the time is given in PM. So when the time is given in PM, you have to plus 12 hours. But here the time is already in 12, so we will not add 12 hours. When the time is less than 12 and PM is written with that time, only then we will add 12. So in this case, we will not add 12. So answer is 12:15 hours. Now next one is E part, 3:45 PM. So I told you, when the time is written in PM and less than 12, then we will add 12 to it. So now add 12 hours plus 3 hours is equal to 15. Now colon 45 minutes is written. So 15:45 hours. Similarly 5 PM. So write down 5. Now we will add 12 because the time is given in PM. So when the time is given in PM, just add 12 to it. So 12 plus 5 is 17 hours and 5 minutes. So 17 hours 5 minutes, answer. Now 8:16 PM. This is also given in PM. So add 12 to it. Now 12 plus 8 is 20. So 16 hours answer. Now next is 9:32 p.m. 9:32 p.m. So we will add 12 to it. So answer is 12 plus 9, that is 21 hours 32 minutes. So 21:32 hours is the answer. Next is 10:56 p.m. So 10:56 plus 12. So 12 plus 10 is 22. 22 hours 56 minutes, answer. So 22:56 hours. Now 11:12 p.m. So we will add 12 to it. When the time is given in p.m., only then we have to add 12. When the time is given in a.m., then no need to add 12. Just write the time and write hours. Now answer is 11 plus 12. So it is 23 hours 12 minutes. So this is the answer. So this is how you have to do question number 2. And the remaining part, students, I have done till J part, and the remaining parts practice in rough notebook. Now see, we have done question 1. Now question 2 is given, convert to 12-hour clock time. So here we have to do vice versa, convert 24-hour clock into 12 hours. So 24-hour clock is given, we have to convert into 12 hours. So how to do? See, convert to 12-hour clock time. Now 24-hour clock time is given, we have to convert into 12 hour. So in this, what you have to do, when the hours is more than 12, then you have to deduct 12 from it. Now see here in the A part, 5:30 hours. So 5 is less than 12 hour. So just write 5:30. Now what we will use? Now see, if the time is less than 12, we will use AM. Now the time is less than 12, so time is 5:30 AM in 12-hour clock. Now see, next is 00:25 hours. 00 means here 12 hours. So it is 12:25. 0 is also less than 12, so it means it is 12 hours. So we will write 12:25 AM. 00 used for 12 midnight. That's why I have written AM here, because in midnight the time is in AM. Now next is 10:41 hours. 10 is also less than 12. Just write 10:41 AM. Next is 11:58 hours. It is also less than 12. Just write 11:58 AM. Next is 12:42 hours. So when here is written 12, so what you have to do, it means time is in PM. When there is written 0, it means time is in AM. When 12 is written, it means it is noon time. So we will write 12:42 PM. Next is 14:22 hours. Now see, 14 is greater than 12. So we will deduct 12 hours from it. So 14 minus 12 is 2. So time is 2:22 PM. When the time is greater than 12, it means when the time is 12 or greater than 12, then it means it is in PM and we have to deduct 12 from it. Next is 16:28. So 16:28 is greater than 12. Deduct 12 from it. 16 minus 12 is 4. Just write 28. The time is 4:28 PM. Now 20:47 hours. So it is also greater than 12. Deduct 12 from it. 20 minus 12 is 8. 47 PM. Next is 23:05 hours. Just write 23:05. Deduct 12 from it. Answer is 11:05 p.m. Next is 17 hours. So just write 17, deduct 12 from it. Answer is 5 p.m. So this is how you have to convert 12 24-hour format to 12-hour format. Now students, after this we will start activity number 6. Now we will start activity number 6. So students, in activity number 6 you have to add. Question number 1 is you have to add the time. So A part is 3 hours 28 minutes and 7 hours 10 minutes. Let's do this question. See, 3 hours 28 minutes and 7 hours 10 minutes. So how to do this question? First write hours and then write minutes. Now under hour you have to mention hour. So here hour is 3 and how many minutes? 28. Now put addition sign. Next is 7 hours 10 minutes. Now add the time. 8 plus 0 8, 2 plus 1 3. Now 3 plus 7 is 10. So your answer is 10 hours 38 minutes. Now I am doing E part. You have to do only these parts, whatever I am doing here. So E part is 14 hours 15 minutes and 18 hours 50 minutes. Just write hours and minutes. Now hours first is 14 hours 15 minutes plus 18 hours 50 minutes. Now add 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6. 65 minutes. 4 plus 8 is 12, 2 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now students see here minutes is more than 65. But you all know minutes never be more than 60. So what we will do, we will in this step we will deduct 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now adding 1 to 32. This is the rule. Whenever the minutes exceeding 60, what you have to do, you have to subtract 60 minutes and add 1 to the hour. Now here only 5 minutes is left and hours is 33. So what is the answer? Answer is 33 hours 5 minutes. This is the answer. You have to do these type of sums like this. Now next is I am doing F part. 11 minutes. Now it is given in minutes. 52 seconds and 23 minutes 15 seconds. Now write minutes here and seconds here. minute under minute, 11 minutes 52 seconds, and put addition sign, 23 minutes 15 seconds. Now add 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 plus 1 is 6, 67. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now see here, seconds are more than 60, but the seconds never exceed 60. So what we will do, we will subtract 60 and add 1 to the minute. So answer is 7 minutes, 7 seconds and 35 minutes. This is the answer. Just write down 35 minutes, 7 seconds. This is the answer. After F part, now I will do I part. In I part, question is 12 hours, 10 minutes and 5 hours, 55 minutes. First write hours and then write minutes. 12 hours, 10 minutes, 5 hours, add 55 minutes. Now add them. 0 plus 5, 5, 1 plus 5, 65, 2 plus 5, 7, and 17. So students, here also minutes are exceeding 60. So we will deduct 60 and add 1 hour. Answer is 5 minutes and 18 hours. So just write 18 hours and 5 minutes answer. After I part, I am doing J part. J part is 7 hours, 42 minutes and 5 hours, 21 minutes. Write hours, minutes. 7 hours, 42 minutes. Now put addition sign. 5 hours, 21 minutes. Now add 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 2 is 6, 63, 7 plus 5 is 12. So here again minutes exceeding 60, so deduct 60 and add 1 to the hours. Answer is 3 minutes and 13 hours. So write 13 hours, 3 minutes. This is the answer. Now students, I have done activity 6. Now I am doing activity 6 question number 2. Here I have done activity 6 question number 1. Now see, question number 2, you have to subtract. Just write subtract. Now I am doing A part. A part is 2 hours, 5 minutes from 11 hours, 20 minutes. Now see, you have to subtract 2 hours 5 minutes from 11 hours 20 minutes. So first we will write 11 hours 20 minutes because we have to subtract from 11 hours 20 minutes. Now subtract 2 hours 5 minutes. Subtract 0 became 10, 2 became 0. We will do like simple subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5, 1 minus 0 is 1. And now 11 minus 2 is 9. So answer is 9 hours 15 minutes. This is the answer. After this, I am doing F part. 17 hours, 32 minutes from 18 hours, 12 minutes. Now we have to subtract 17 hours 32 minutes from 18 hours 12 minutes. So first we will write 18 hours and 12 minutes. So write 18 and 12. But students, just see carefully. Here 12 minutes and here 32 minutes is given. It means we have to subtract 32 from 12. But in time, it is not possible to subtract 32 from 12. So what we will do, we will follow this step. Just look it carefully. We will add 60 to 12 and deduct 1 from 18. Here we will add 60 to 12 and deduct 1 from 18. Now it will become 72 and 18 minus 1 is 17. Now we will subtract 17 hours and 32 minutes. So the answer is 2 minus 2 0, 7 minus 3 is 4 and 17 minus 17 is 0. So here answer is only 40 minutes. So in these type of question, we will do like this. Whenever minutes is smaller, whenever the minutes which we have to subtract, like here we have to subtract 32 from 12, but 12 is smaller, then we will add 60 to it and deduct 1. Now after F part, here I am doing D part. 8 hours, 28 minutes. I am doing D part because so that it is more clear to you. It is similar to F part. 16 hours, 15 minutes. Now see, first write hours and then write minutes. So we have to subtract 8 hours 28 minutes from 16 hours 15 minutes. Now see here 28 minutes is given and we have to subtract 28 minutes from 15 minutes. So in this question also we will follow this step. We will add 60 and deduct 1. So add 60, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 6 is 7. 16 minus 1 is 15. Now subtract 8 hours 28 minutes. Answer is 5 became 15, 7 became 6. Now 15 minus 8 is 7, 6 minus 2 is 4. Now again 15 minus 8 is 7. So answer is 7 hours 47 minutes. So this is how you have to do these type of question. So students, now I am telling your homework. Your homework is do activity 6, question 1, C part and G part, and question 2, C part only.